Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to play all 7 modes out of position number 3. So before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that I did already create a video guitar lessons for modes in position 1 and position 2, and then I also created a guitar lesson for modes explained, where I basically explain where the modes come from. So you may want to watch those first before you watch position 3. You don't have to, you can dive right into position 3 and get started, but I just want to make sure that you're aware that I do have other ones leading up to this video. I will put links to this video down below in the description. I'll put them up here, and then I will also put them at the end of this video as well. Okay, why don't we go ahead and dive in and start learning how to play these modes. We're going to start with the Ionian scale, or the major scale, in position number 3. When I say position number 3, I'm referring to finding the root of whatever scale you want to play on the 5th string and starting with our pinky. If I wanted to do an E major, I'd do it here. If I wanted to do F, G. But what I decided to do, I'm going to do all of my mode lessons out of the key of A. So since I did position 1 here, position 2 off of this A right here. Position number 3, we're going to base off of this A right here. All right, and the scale goes, we're going to start here on this A on the 5th string, 12th fret, and that's the root of the scale. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming back, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Then I always like to go back up to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So this is going to be the scale that all the other 7 modes are going to be based off of. So what I'm going to be doing in this lesson is I'm not going to show you all 7 different modes of A major. I'm going to show you how to play 7 different modes right from this note here, from this A. So this was the major. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at how to play the 2nd mode, which is Dorian. All right, now I'm going to show you how to play a Dorian scale, an A Dorian scale in 3rd position. We're starting on the same A we just started on for the Ionian scale, or the major scale. This is one of my favorite scales because it is a minor scale with a raised 6th. So you just have a natural 6 instead of a flat 6. In a normal A minor scale, you have a raised 6. So it's a really cool sound. All right, here we go. So we're going to start with A here, and this is 1, 1, 2, flat 3. 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5. Coming back, we have 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 6, 5, 4. Going back up, because I always like to go back up and in on the root. 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1. And that's how you play an A Dorian scale in 3rd position. I should mention that when I say 3rd position, I'm not talking about down here on the 3rd fret. That's where the 3rd fret is. I'm referring to the 3rd fingering. Like this would be position number 1, or A fingering 1, A position 2. So when I say position, I'm referring to a fingering, not necessarily what fret I'm starting on. That's important to know if you're used to hearing people say it's in 5th position and they're referring to where your 1st finger lies to play a scale. I'm referring to it as the 3rd fingering. If you're interested in getting a bunch of PDF charts like this, these big ones here, for this lesson, you can go ahead and head over and get those over on my Patreon page at patreon.com/GuitArmy. You can go there, watch the video, you can print them out. You can do that with my other lessons on the modes as well. So this is how you're going to play an A Phrygian scale in position number 3. We're going to start here with 1, then we have a flat 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat flat 6, flat 7, 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6. Coming back, we have flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, flat 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4. Going back up to the root, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. I like the Phrygian scale. It's great for metal because it's basically a minor scale with a flat 2. So it has a really cool sound, and that was Phrygian in position number 3. So now we're going to take a look at a Lydian scale. That is a scale that is built off the 4th note of a major scale, and it's basically a major scale with a sharp 4 instead of a 4. So we're going to start it right here on A again. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 5, sharp 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, sharp 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, sharp 4, 3, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. That was an Aeolian scale in position number 3. This is how you play an Mixolydian scale in position number 3, and so I should mention that a Mixolydian scale is based off the 5th note of a major scale. So D major is also the same exact notes as A Mixolydian. If you find that a little confusing, if you're like, what does that even mean? I did put out a video on YouTube of modes explained. I'll put a link to it down below, so that you can watch that if you're like, I don't understand what they are, where they come from. You just show me how to play them. I want to know a little more. Then watch my video on modes explained. All right, so A Mixolydian, we're going to start here. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming back, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, flat 7, 6, 5, 3, 4. Going back up, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1. That is how you play an A Mixolydian scale in 3rd position. Okay, now we're going to play an A Aeolian or an A minor scale. We're going to start right here on this A, just like we did with the other ones. The Aeolian scale or the minor scale is based off the 6th note of a major scale. Here we go. It's going to go 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6. Coming back, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, flat 3, 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4. Going back up to 1, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. If you're going to take the time to learn any scales on your guitar, you want to make sure that you really have down your major and minor scales. So this is how you play a Aeolian or / minor. It's more commonly called just the minor scale in position number 3. All right, now we're going to take a look at the last mode, Locrian. That scale is based off the 7th note of a major scale. So we're going to start here. We're going to play A Locrian. If I wanted to know, well, what major scale does that come from? It comes whatever as a half step above the root. B flat. So B flat major is going to be, B flat major is going to be the exact same scale as A Locrian. All right, so here we go. It's going to go 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, flat 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, flat 5, flat 6. Coming back, we have flat 6, flat 5, 4, flat 3, flat 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, flat 5, 4, flat 3, flat 2, 1, flat 7, flat 6, flat 5, 4, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. And that is how you play an A Locrian scale in position number 3. If you're interested in supporting my YouTube page, you can head over to patreon.com/GuitArmy. I'm putting up all of my online guitar courses. Here's a bunch of them right now. And I'm also a lot of guitar tabs, and I'm putting out the weekly lessons like this one. So there's a lot over there to get. There's already over 250 guitar video lessons already. So I'd love for you to come over and check it out. Hey, thanks for taking the time to check out this guitar lesson. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when we come out with new lessons. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.